Hello, I have all iPhone 13 color on my desk. So the white, red, blue, midnight, pink, and here's the bonus color which is green. And I'm reviewing them after 3 years of the release date. So let's dig in how they look like, what's the battery. So let's start from the red. So look at the size of the phone, it still is in very good condition. You can say in mint condition, has little bit dot on the top. So let's compare with that blue. So look at the both color. They made the ring in that red and the blue. In the blue has a blue ring and the red has a red ring. The blue, look at the smudge in this color. You can see a little bit smudge on that. But this light color, you can't see. It's very rare until the Apple logo. Other than the Apple logo, you can't see the smudge. And the red has little bit smudge you can see. So let's check some dark color. That's a midnight. You can see there is a fingerprints right there, and the pink has a light color, so yeah, the same thing, but this must have shows the smudge. Yeah, it has the smudge, so let's clean it a little bit. And so let's look the white one which they call Starlight and the blue. So look at the comparison. The white and Starlight, they made side are silvers. Look at this. So both phone has no scratches, nothing, and is in decent condition. I don't know who was using it. It's in perfect. Look at this. So let's try with the midnight and pink, or red, or green. Sorry, go with the green. So look at this. The same. They made the circle midnight and the green on the green. It has a little bit mark on this camera lens circle, but the sides are perfectly fine. On the this is a white, the bottom screws are white, but the other sides are good. But I saw this one tiny stuff on the midnight. So red, pink, and white. The white actually Starlight and the pink look similar, but they are same. So look, this is a green midnight, and then pink, then red, white, and blue. Look at the size of the phone. They are looking perfect. They made actually very good color combination on that range. And look at this, some has the bottom screws are the silver and some are white. So look at this, the all camera lenses are same. So let's try the batteries after 3 years. How much is the battery life in this? So let's start from the green one, first one, and let's see how much it has a battery life. So this one says 91, which is pretty good one. So let's check with this one. It says 88 I mean, midnight. And then this is a Starlight, and let's see how much is it. 88%. That's perfect. I mean green. That was pink, sorry. And let's go with the red one, and red one has 86, and this white one has 84, which is oh, the blue one has 100%. It is in perfect condition. So I personally like the color the blue, so I'll rate on the first to the blue and then the green, and let's go the red for third, and then fourth make the pink, and I'll give the white and the midnight the same, so 5. If you like that video, like and subscribe my channel, and thumbs up and share.